Hello team, good morning. My name is Venkat. I'm Sccm infrastructure engineer and that's it about me. I would like to discuss today about how to install the SUP role for primary site. As you see already, I have installed the WSAS on this primary site. See? So if you get confused that how I did this, how I configure all these things, then you just go to my channel and you can see this one. See, okay, how to install Sccm 1902 from scratch, and part 9 how to install the WSS and how to configure it. Okay, so if you see this one, I will clearly explain that how to do that. Of course, there is no voice here. Sorry for that, because as I'm in very initial stage, I didn't add any voice there. Okay, but anyhow, this is much more clear. I hope this is just installation part. I don't think that the explanation is really required in this stage. Just go through with this, so you'll understand that how to install the double SAS. Okay, now this is the time to install the role, SUP role for our primary site. First, let's see that what other roles are installed so far for primary site. All these are the default roles that when you install the primary site, except this reporting services point. I have explained that how to install this role also in another video. Go through with that video, you will understand how to do this. So now this is the time to install the new role called SUP for software updates. Okay, let's go to the WSS first. Let's quickly check what it is. We will, in the coming videos, we will discuss more and more, but for now, actually this is completely basic levels. The reason is like that our targeted audience are those who are starting their career in SCCM. Especially for them, I have designed all these things. So now itself, I'm not discussing more and more deep, like just saying that what is this log, what is that log, how it works. No, not like that. First get familiar with the console and how to operate it, then step by step, it's like once you understand that okay, this is WSS, this is SCM console, and this is how we need to install SUP role. If you understand all these things, then I will discuss in another video. I will discuss what really happening in background, how the logs are working, how the flow are working. Okay, so step by step I will discuss all that things. Okay, let's quickly go through this. Go to options. See, actually these updates are when you install the WSS role, it must sync with some server. I don't know what is that server. So that means it need to get the information from other server that what updates are available for this month. So it need to get sync, and it need to get the metadata file. So let's see. So that if you want to see that options, you need to click on options here. Go to your WSS and click on options here. See, update source and proxy server. Okay, what is the update source? Means from where it is getting. Actually, since this is primary server, for sure I need to get the updates from Microsoft as well. Only Microsoft, there is no other option. For example, if I install the SUP role for secondary site, I don't need to put Microsoft, right? Because from Microsoft, my primary site is getting that updates, right? So when I install the SUP for secondary, what I will do is synchronize from other server, and I will type ding 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 primary site server name. Yep. So since it is primary server, I need to put Microsoft. Okay, no proxy server, For SUP role, if you are using in internet, you need to maintain 8530 port, and if it is internet, you need to install 8531. You need to make sure that enable port 8531, and you need to use SSL for synchronizing and all. That we will discuss later. Okay. And what are the products you have selected? I have selected very few because this is lab. I didn't select much. I just selected only Windows 10. You can see here all Windows 10. Okay. If you click on classifications, what kind of updates we are receiving? Critical, okay, security definition, just like that. That's all. Okay, because this is a simple lab, so I don't want everything. And what are the languages? Actually, this is very important. If, for example, if you put languages all here, okay, your drive will increase like anything, because each and every update will be downloaded in every language, so your drive space will be killed by this unnecessary step. Usually no one needed in all languages for each and every update. Okay, just make sure that which language you really require for these updates. Okay, just don't simply put download updates in all languages. Don't select this one. You just make sure that, or else your drive will eat the space like anything, and you will get issues. Okay, and update files. Okay, when it is approved, automatically it will store. If you don't want, you can select this one. Okay, but this one, if you select this one, automatically Microsoft updates automatically install the computers installed from Microsoft update directly. Okay, just make sure this one. Especially my concern about this, don't play with this. Okay, download update in all languages is really risk part. Please make sure this one. Okay, automatic approvals, default approval, you can create automatic. Okay, automatically approve updates. Yeah, that's okay. And yeah, this one server cleanup wizard, this is not the time to discuss about this. We will discuss soon. Okay, that's all. And let's go to synchronization. I just simply sync it with Microsoft, which is success. Which was success here. Good to see. Okay, so I think this is the time to go. Okay, add site system rules. Now we are installing the SUP role for primary server, so that means we are giving the connectivity between WSS and SUP. So once WSS is getting the information, then automatically it will sync with SUP primary server. Okay, because this is not 2012, this is 2016, so you need to use this. No need SSL. Synchronize from Microsoft update, yes. If you have an upstream, you can set that. Just click next. If you want to put any synchronization, yes, you can. Okay, because I'm afraid about my data space, my disk space, so that's the reason I put this one. I don't want the expired or suspended software update, so I just put like that. Even this one also we can do it, but in production we don't do this. Okay, we will wait for a month or 2 months because we want to see the if any clients are required. So it depends based on case to case. Download both full files for approved updates and expert installation files for Windows 10. It's okay. Class questions, it will come with as you have set up in WSS console. If you remember this, it's the same setup that we have, same configuration we gave in WSS. Click next. What languages you required? See, this is again one more step. One more mistake if you select everything. I don't want. English is enough. No need Japanese. No need Russian. Nothing. Only English. That's all. That's it. Your SCP role configured perfectly. Go to program files, Microsoft Configuration Manager. Okay. Logs. Successfully inserted WSS. Okay, good. Good. Just wait. Configuration successful. Phone supported. Good. Successfully checked database connection on WSS. Very good. There are no unhealthy WSS. Good. Okay, sync failed. Okay. Sync time 0 days. That's not a problem. If you want to sync manually, you can sync it. Okay, see, it's not at sync. Just give it time, that's all. It will re-trigger this thread, this component, SMS_WSS sync manager. Just run it. It will take time. It will just take time because already here new updates information is available 160, so it will take time. That's all. Not to worry. Okay guys, for now we can discuss this one. Okay, so this is how we will install the SCP role, and we will see in next video that how to troubleshoot the SUP if it is failed. Okay, we will see that one also. Okay, because I really don't want to create the lengthy videos. I know everyone will feel more bored when I create more than 30 minutes video. So troubleshooting steps, I have a plan to create separately each and every concept. Okay, thank you, thanks for the watching. Please subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.